how to create Airbnb account. Are you guys facing issue to create Airbnb account on your mobile device? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create an account on Airbnb, first of all, open Airbnb app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Airbnb app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Now, once you open the app, just simply select your country/region. After you select it, you need to write down your registered phone number. So, I have selected my country over here. I just need to write down my phone number, or you can just simply create your account using Google ID. After you click on continue with Google, you need to write down your email address and your password. After you write it down, click on continue. After you fill up all the details, you'll be able to easily create account on Airbnb. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to create an account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.